Thank you for watching another episode of Stallonis Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. I am Mrs. Stallonis Reviews, and today I will be unboxing the fantastic idea Flower Monsters. Big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for our videos. It's been a while since I've been on here. I'm sure all of you moms out there will recognize that Christmas takes its time. I'm finally back with kid in school and a little bit of time, and I'm ready to build again. And I found this set, and as you all know, I do like to build the botanicals, the plants, and I saw this set and I thought that just had to be added to my plant collection. It's JMBricklayer, and as you can see, there are some really fantastical looking plants. Plant monsters. They remind me a little bit of some of the things that happen in some movies, but I can't wait to build them. It says there is 1,318 pieces total, which I'm figuring for about 400 pieces each. I'm curious because they don't look that big, so I'm really interested to see how they are 400 pieces in these. The basic box is just all the same, normal stuff. JMBricklayer, if you remember, it has been one we've built ships from. I don't know what else my husband has built from there. Down here on the little barcode, it says JMBricklayer Flow Adults, which I think probably means floral. But there's not really much anything special on the box to give you any more ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep this quick thing here sliced open, and we'll see what we have. All right, it's sliced open, but they build really good boxes at JMBricklayer. Okay, so let's look at the directions. They've got some nice books in here, it looks like. And whew, lots of bags. 4 monsters with a total of 18 bags of pieces, it looks like. If I counted correctly, I really did sort of count those quickly. It looks like each monster has its own book. So it just says Flower Monster on each one. So this is interesting. This one has some other sort of language down there. It looks like they all do down at the bottom on the one side. So I suspect there might be some other meaning to some of these. We got 266, 346, 397, and 312. Okay, so about 300 pieces each. And they show, I don't know if you can see this here, there are dimensions, but the dimensions are in metric. So it's 314 millimeters by 330 millimeters by 243 millimeters. So about 31 centimeters by 24 centimeters by 33 centimeters, which I couldn't tell you without doing the math exactly how many inches that is, but it seems like they may be fairly much larger than I was expecting. Let's see how many steps there are. So it looks like there are, I don't want to get some posing at the end here. There's 28 pages of directions, 79 steps. That's not too bad. So I'm interested to see how this goes. It does not look like the bags are separately numbered, so this might be a challenge because I suspect the bags are independent to the various monsters, but we'll see how it goes. I can't wait to get to building these. We'll see how they go, whether we have some shorts or whether we have just a long review at the end, but I hope to be able to get back to you soon. And please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. And if you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click our link in the description. We have a camera that could be replaced. And for $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 could help you decide what to love building next. Thank you.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.